Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on password protected sharing on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu, search for Control Panel. Best result, should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Up at the top right where it says View By, click the drop down and you want to select where it says Large Icons and then select Network and Sharing Center. And now on the left side, select where it says Change Advanced Sharing Settings. And then if you scroll down here, expand all networks, and where it says Password Protected Sharing, go ahead and select Turn On Password Protected Sharing if it was disabled, and then you would select Save Changes to save it, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.